Hello, this is Drew from Sendspark team. We're gonna see how you can automatically send AI personalized videos by using Sendspark and Salesloft. So let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is to create a dynamic video. You can see the first step in the article below on how you can do that. I have created one for us very quickly here. As you can see, all of these three videos are personalized for different persons. So what we want to do is to here is that click on share campaign and search for Salesloft and click on this, and it will basically copy the code for us. And then what you want to go do is go to cadences in here and then create a new cadence if you don't already have one. So you have to do it. Let's do through new tests, something like this. And what I'm going to do is add bounds, create a cadence, and start from scratch. You want to choose an email, of course, and then click on email template, but you can also do an AI generated one if you wish. And click on next step in here. So what you want to do is basically paste this so you can see the preview in here like this. Let's name our step. So as you know, you can create more than one step in Salesloft, so you can name these as you wish. Let's do step one, and our subject is I have created a video for you. You can do something like this, of course. Um, And maybe if you want to add a personalization in here, you can do hello and click on here, and you can actually see we have all these fields. Let's do hello first name. And as you see, it personalizes depending on whoever you added on your contacts. As you see, hello George in personalized video here. Of course, if you haven't created a video for George in here, it's not gonna make anything. It's not gonna make sense. So what you want to do is make sure that you have a video for George in here at the first step, and then you go here and add George in your contacts. Okay, add the step, and what you want to do now is go to agentic workflows, click on new automation, and as a first step, add a trigger, find Sendspark, and then let me move myself in here. New video generated for specific campaign. So what you want to do is you want to create a specific campaign for yourself. Make sure to find your account. If you have a team, as you can see, you have many people in here. So what you want to do is you have to find yourself and click on continue here. Once you do that, we are searching for our campaign name in here. So if you don't know which one it is, you can find it in here like this. Or if you click on dynamic videos in here, you can actually see them copy them by clicking this like this and click on campaign ID. Okay, let's paste it in here. As you can see, it found our dynamic campaign. Click on save. Okay, our first step is ready. What you want to do now is to create a second step for Salesloft, right? So click on action and find Salesloft. Yes, right. We want to find our contact in Salesloft, so we do find person. If you haven't connected your Salesloft account, please just click on add a connection, and it will basically create a pop-up like this. And if you can click on, you can see the tutorial in here, by the way, as well. And if you click on continue, you will see a grant access pop-up like this, and you should be able to do it. Okay, let's go back, Salesloft again. Find a person, my account, click on continue. And what you want to do here is that find the person's contact email. So what you want to do is click on Sendspark and click on contact email. So it matches the contact email in Sendspark with the Salesloft's contact email. So it's to make sure that both of the emails matches in both two platforms, right? So if you click on save, next step, what we want to do is, since we found the person on Salesloft, now we want to update them in Salesloft again. So if you click on action, find Salesloft again, update the person, choose your Salesloft account again, click on continue, and now what you want to do is you want to find your go to Salesloft, click on person ID, and then match the fields as you wish. First name, last name. Okay, now we want to find first name, sorry, email address, and that's it. Yeah. Now click on save. Okay, now our automation is ready. So once you add contact to your dynamic video, so if you go here, this is my dynamic video campaign. If I click on here and add another contact, I should see them on my workflow. Let's do a test. Name test at sendspark.com. Let's do sendspark.com again and click on generate button. Okay, as you see, my video is generated. So let's go back to our workflow. And as you see, when I clicked on history, I saw that my automation is successfully executed. One quick note here is that this workflow assumes that your lead already exists in Salesloft. So if your lead doesn't exist in the Salesloft, you have to create the lead on the Salesloft first and then do all of these steps. Thank you.